Now here we go, guys. Pretty plain. Got one cut right there, but here's the PS5 box. The thing is huge, as you just saw. Compared to the Xbox one, this box is massive. This is a massive beast of a console. This is the console edition. Yes, I do have the digital edition coming in. And not really much going on the box. Let's lay it down. I gotta be careful. Trying to keep them. I like to keep everything, if you guys didn't realize, as perfect as I can. And because I don't want to mess things up, I'm going to go ahead and let me pull this thing out right quick. The white box right here, pretty awesome underneath. It's a simple white box. Like up here, we got a pull tab up here like that. Pull that up. Alright, just gonna stand up right quick. Pull that up. I keep this box in mint condition. Let's see if I can. There we go. Pull tab. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna put that right over there behind us. And there is the heart and soul right there. This boy is heavy, like the Xbox. So let me go ahead and just take this out. I'm not gonna do this with one hand. There we go. Got the sides of it off. Still gonna need both hands. This thing's massive, dude. There's no way I only want to chance it. Ooh, there it is. Let's put this right here right quick. Okay. Oh. And here we go. Wow, it's the first time I've seen this thing in my face, in person. Wow, PS5. I need to get the stand, which I know is inside this box. Wow, there you guys go. I'll show you just like I showed on the Xbox. There's other ports in the back of it. Damn, this thing, that's a big boy. I like how it's cut out right there. That is a big boy. Alright. And let's... right there. Inside here, we have our power cable. We're going to have our controller. So I'm going to turn it like that. I have not felt the DualSense controller at all yet. So unlike some people, yes, I have like 10 of them coming in, but unlike some people that bought extra one, I knew I was going to get more than one console, so there's no point. Alright, there's your manuals. More manuals. Open this up, and that's what I'm looking for. There's our stand right there. So our stand, so we can put this thing on properly. And there's our HDMI 2.1 cable to start. Obviously, I'm not going to use this cable on this TV because I already got the cables ran. I'm going to hook it up to the OLED, so if I want to move it back to OLED just to show somebody it's already hooked up, ready to rock and roll. So cool. So let's go ahead and open this controller up. I'm gonna feel it. Everybody's going crazy. Oh, the DualSense feels better than the Xbox, blah, blah, blah. You know, these fanboys. Please don't be a fanboy. Like all the consoles. So this is my first time, actually, not bad. D-pad's real good. Triggers kind of feel the same to me like they did now. Pressing it feels better for sure. Nope, I catch you before you fall. Yeah. Not bad. I hold it with both hands, but not bad. For a new redesign, pretty cool, pretty cool. Put that right there. Here's our stand. You know we want to get our stand out right here. And we want to clip it underneath it because I am going to stand this puppy up. I am not going to lay it flat. I'm going to stand it up like they intended for you to do. And to stand it up. And there's our stand. I know it just switches to that and it lays in kind of like that. So I think we turn it. Does this turn? Yeah, I was right. It does turn. No, I didn't watch any unboxing videos of any of this stuff, guys. So that's it right there. Just sit like that. I mean, it has to go straight up. Does it turn all the way? Yeah, so it's gotta be straight like this. It has to be it like this. Turn it like that. There you go. It locks. You hold it, clip into place, and there we go. So I'm gonna remove all this stuff, put all the stuff back in the box, put the box back together, and we'll just have this. And for those of you like me, I was like, there's gotta be a charge cable for the controller. It's actually right here. Yeah, that fell to the ground. Right here. I think I just got my foot. There's your charge cable for the controller. That's what I was looking. I was like, where's that? USB-C. There we go. Alright, cool. Just so you guys. And there you go. Just so you guys see it. All I did was pick it up, slide it in there. Doesn't really clip in there or anything like that. So that's it right there. God, this thing is huge. I'm going to go ahead and... That's a power club. I'm going to go ahead and plug this, put this thing beside the Series X just so you guys can get a size comparison. Real life right quick. We're going to, that cable there, we're going to plug this over here because we're going to hook this bad boy over here, sitting on top of these Series S's probably right now. But yeah, let's take this thing, because I got to hold this thing with two hands. You cannot hold this thing with one hand. That'd be crazy. Look at that. That's just stupid big compared to the Series X. Oh my God, that thing is massive. Golly, almost like half a hand length. Just wanted to show it since I got them both. Wow, that's crazy. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and hook it up. There's no point in you watching me hook it up. I will hook up the HDMI cable, like I said, so if I want to throw it on the OLED to show people, I could hook it up real quick. But we're going to hook it up, to hook this one up to the QLED. And ultimately, they're both going to be hooked up to this, taking the place of PS4. PS4 is going to be retired. I'm going to move it to one of these other TVs I have in the house, so I guess decided to keep it for now. I might as well. I like the white. It matches. I guess if they ever do make a white Series X, that's in my future. And yeah, we got to go ahead and install Spider-Man. Here's the collector's edition. I got the manual. So let me go and just plug in the power cable and get hooked up. Alright, got it hooked up best I can right now. Sit on top of the Series S's to get elevation right now, because I really can't put it anywhere in front of this TV for obvious reasons, unless I lay it flat. And I just don't want to run into any problems. These consoles are both meant to be vertical, so that's what they're going to be. So here's the controller. We're going to get off of this channel, and it should automatically, well, we'll go to the PlayStation channel. Because I was telling the volume about that. The volume up. And when you install Spider-Man, we'll go to PlayStation channel. It's not there. It should automatically boot up once we turn on this controller. I'm assuming you just push that to turn on. Ooh! There it goes. Don't know if that turned on the system though. Doesn't look like it. So let's go to, probably didn't auto detect it. Let's see. It should be on 1, not 3. I swapped the PlayStation to 3. Yeah, it didn't fire up. This did turn on, but it didn't turn this on, which is weird. Yeah, this thing didn't turn on. So give me a second. Technical difficulties, give me a second. I had to push the power button, I guess, initially to turn it on. So you guys know, so it's detecting it right now. The power button, there's actually 2 buttons right here. It's the second button, just for those of you guys that don't want to know. And there it goes. Booting up for the first time. Oh, crap. Oh, okay. There you go. Let me turn off some of these lights for you guys. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Off some of these lights. Okay, look at that. Look how it's highlighted. Okay. There's the original controller for you guys that want to know. Again, I might turn on the light behind me. This might be, I don't know how the picture is going to look. The QLED should light it up. It should be okay for you guys without light. So it's saying, tell me to go ahead and initially plug the controller in. So I got to plug this into the console so I can recognize it. Alright, give me a second.
USB cable and press the PS button.
That's crazy. It talks to you. That's crazy. Okay. Press the PS button. Okay, then we're gonna select. Let me sit right here.
United States.
So I'm gonna put you guys right here.
Press the cross button to select and the circle button to go back. The cross button is on the bottom far right of the controller and the circle button is on the far right. To scroll up and down through the list,
No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just
buttons
gonna
are
hold it.
placed on the left side of the controller.
I'm just gonna hold y'all because I want y'all to see it.
Continue with the screen reader turned on. No, turn off.
Yeah, let's turn that off. It's pretty cool, but it's kind of annoying too at the same time. Okay, and I gotta choose my wireless connection, which is obviously not on here. Give me a second, guys. Okay, this step's pretty long, so I'm skipping a bunch of stuff, a bunch of personal information. Right here, transfer your data from your PS4. That's how you do it. For you guys that want to transfer your data, because I was wondering, like, how would I play Final Fantasy 7 and stuff like that so I can beat it, but it's obviously in the configuration option, so I just wanted to show you guys this so you guys can clearly see it. It's in. So I'm transferring stuff over. That's when you see something like Samsung is gangster. The Samsung controller 2017 and up. Look. Just controlling it. Automatically configured to the PS5. Got the signal on its own. I didn't do anything. So I can literally leave the controller right there and use this. Crazy. So I got 277 gigabytes to transfer over from my PS4. I'm going to go ahead and do it so I get on my data. But remember, keep in mind, you only have 667 gigs. So that's a lot of space. Look at that, available. I'll be down to 205 gigs with all this stuff, so I'm going to be custom, transfer only the data that you need. I'm going to do custom because I know some of this stuff is going to be stuff I don't want. I mean, that's not enough storage. Remember, you can't update the storage yet. The storage port is locked. So you got to be really careful because there might be other games I want to download. There are only 200 gigs left. Yeesh. I just want to point this out. Look what I have. All I have is played with Star Wars, Final Fantasy, Spider-Man. And even that's just crazy, dude. There's just no space left, man. That's a bummer, man. Gotta be careful. So if I gotta delete something, you already know what's gonna go first. I wanna go ahead and cap out Final Fantasy, go ahead and get rid of that, I guess, and then Spider-Man is gonna be next. I still play Battlefront right now because I haven't found a good game, a good comparable game, but I'm gonna start playing Warzone. See that, and this is why it's not good to be a fanboy. If you have both consoles, then I can do certain things I can play on here and certain things I can play on there and can sell space. And with the option to actually add more space to the Xbox, that's going to be the one housing the main games, probably pretty much. But just keep that in mind. 14 minutes, we're going to start the transfer. Obviously, I'm not going to make you guys wait 14 minutes or whatnot. So, alright, there we go. Spider-Man Miles Morales is ready to play. Heck yeah. And it's 4K menu. Woo! Alright, there it is. PlayStation Now, all that good stuff. No point in getting that. I got like 20 of them coming. And there's Miles Morales. Whew. Uh-oh. I don't want to get copyrighted. So there you guys go. That was the installation of PlayStation. There's the PlayStation 5 right there, along with the others. And we do got the Series X. This video might be long enough. Walmart just went live. Pretty much went down. I got all right to the end. The key on Walmart, I'm guessing, is to get started, get it added to your cart using the PC, then use the app to check out for next time. But again, I would say try that strategy on Black Friday, and should be good for you. I think this video should be long enough. If not, I'll add some gameplay to this, some gameplay of the PS5, just to make sure I get my 10-minute mark. But again, guys, don't forget to click like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please post them down below. As soon as I get the other consoles and stuff to come in, all the Xboxes are here. That one S is already gone. I still got another S, and then I got one X left. Those two X's are gone, and then a bunch of PS5s that are coming in. So again, don't forget to click like and subscribe. We're gonna be getting back to the car content soon. We gotta finish the bolts and moving on. A lot of stuff has been done to the car already. Obviously, as you guys can tell, kind of behind on videos for the cars, so we're gonna start to get those uploaded. But it was pretty fun to take a break to get these consoles in, and I'll show some gameplay. Like I said, probably show some 4K gameplay of the Series X and the PS5 monster. As soon as I get all of them in, I'll probably make another update video as far as that. Again, any questions, any concerns, you got one more shot on Black Friday. Need any help getting it on Black Friday? I mean, again, either post down below in the comments. Let me know, show your love. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Let's get this channel going. Let's get it going. Get the views up, and let's get the subscribers up. Later, guys. PS5 hype. Series X hype. What's up, doggy? Asleep. Peace. And the digital came in. Oh my goodness. Oh, what is this? Another package, like I told you guys. Oh my, it's another PS5, right? Yep, PS5. Another copy of Spider-Man, about time. Controller, I figured I'd unbox one for you guys. And it's another PS5. You can place it like a PS5 me please. PS5 me please. Just teaching you guys and telling you guys how to get them. You guys need to pay attention to these videos and spread it around. There was a glitch apparently on the PlayStation Direct website on how to bypass the queue. But basically, you just highlight the link, copy it, hit the escape button. There's a million videos on it already. They're supposed to be patching it. I don't think they are, because it's all about money. These companies don't care. Just letting you know, these companies don't care. I mean, clearly, you can tell. But okay, so I should have another coming in. I might wait for that one to come in and go ahead and post this video. As far as you guys are looking for a concert, next shot is going to be on Black Friday. It's supposed to be a drop today on the 14th, but I don't think they're going to have one, because I think, I can't forget the Series S's right here. I think they're not going to have one because of what's been going on as far as the glitch. They might actually patch that. Doubt it. I don't think they really care, but you know, that's just me. So let's add this stuff to the fleet.